Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. While the 2023 Super Bee is inspired by classic muscle cars, it's going to include some modern amenities, such as full keyless entry, mobile and remote start. But there's no mistaking the sweet sound of the exhaust as anything other than pure muscle. This Super Bee starts life as a 1320 Scat Pack before Dodge modifies it from there. They made 1,000 of these. That's one for every 3 Chrysler dealers in the United States of America. It's available 500 in B5 Blue and 500 in Plum Crazy Purple, which are both classic muscle car colors from the 1960s and 1970s. Featured prominently on the outside of the Super Bee are the classic emblems, including the back of the seat, the grille, the fenders, and the nice low contrast graphic on the hood of the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one, and if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.